Hello, all. Welcome back to day 2 of Mindful Mental Health Workshop. How was your day 1 experience? I am sure you would have analyzed कि हम फिजिकल लॉकडाउन में तो 3-4 महीने से ही हैं, बट मेंटल लॉकडाउन बहुत सालों से चल रहा है and we are not even aware about it, right? So you would have seen and many of you have shared your experiences कि आप कौन सा मास्क पहन रहे थे, whether it was mask of ego or whether it was mask of God, right? It makes a huge difference because thoughts become things. यथा दृष्टि तथा सृष्टि, संकल्प से सिद्धि. Why I am repeating? Because repetition makes it natural for you to remember. Okay, we will discuss that further, how repetition helps us and how it can change your life. So very important principles that I am offering in day 2 of Mindful Mental Health Workshop. So, like on day 1 we did the pandemic activity wearing a mask and we connected it to mindful mental health. Now day 2 we have a second new normal, okay, new routine which became for us was the digital world. Correct? So everything got connected through internet. करेक्ट. बाहर जा नहीं सकते बट इंटरनेट से सब कनेक्ट होने लगे. इनफैक्ट फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स में वीडियो कॉल्स की फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी बढ़ गई. द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ कनेक्शन which happened between, or I should say reconnection, which happened between family and old friends happened so beautifully, right? It increased drastically, in fact, I should say, because otherwise we were so busy. Nobody had time for each other. But one regular feature which I saw on the social media was posting the video call, वीडियो कॉल स्नैपशॉट. वीडियो कॉल का स्नैपशॉट कि पुराने कजन्स मिले हैं आफ्टर 10 years, school friends reunion on a video call and those snapshots on the social media. So beautiful, right? Such a beautiful gift that everything was locked physically, but digitally everything was, we were coming closer. So that's the gift of internet, right? So internet world is a digital world. Correct? And to have a good quality internet, what do? So earlier we used to have 2G net, we used to have then 3G, then 4G and Wi-Fi. Now every time we enhance the data quality, our social media experience enhances. जितना अच्छा इंटरनेट होगा उतनी अच्छी मेरी सोशल मीडिया में सर्फिंग करने की एक्सपीरियंस होगी. आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ यू नो दिस, राइट? नाउ how do I connect this activity of the pandemic to my daily peace of mind? Or in fact, I will say this activity which I am going to discuss today is going to change your life forever if you really do it and practice it over a long term. Trust me. So while internet or the digital world, brought us closer to other people around the world, there is something which gets me closer to the spiritual world. And what is that? This is the inner net. Inner net helps me to connect with the universal world, with the spiritual world. Anybody who doesn't believe in maybe a form of God, that's okay, but internet changes your life altogether. Because we saw that ego, the mask of ego, is always seeking approval from outside. बाहर से देखता है मास्क ऑफ ईगो कि मैं खुश हो सकता हूँ या उदास हो सकता हूँ. बट जो गॉड का मास्क है, द मास्क विच वी वेयर, इफ वी आर वेयरिंग द मास्क ऑफ गॉड, we see that everything happening outside is going to happen anyways. You don't have any control, right? What changes then the quality of our life is the inner net. तो क्या चीज़ बदल जाएगी कि मेरी लाइफ, मेरी ज़िंदगी एनलाइटनमेंट की तरफ चली जाए, कि मैं एक्चुअली बुद्धा बन जाऊं? दैट विल बी माई इनर नेट. इनर नेट में कैसे है? इनर नेट ऐसा है जैसे हम पहले अगर अपने अंदर देखें तो हमारी पहली आवाज़ क्या होती है? आई हैव टू फर्स्ट थिंक अबाउट माई सेल्फ. ओके, सो दैट इज़ अ 2G स्पीड. आई एम ओनली थिंकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ. तो लाइफ भी उतनी ही छोटी छोटी चलती है, स्लो स्लो चलती है, राइट? नाउ then we start thinking about family or society. Then it moves to a 3G speed. Okay, it becomes teamwork. Even in the pandemic we saw that in the family everybody started helping each other in the best possible way, in whatever small ways. Okay, and then in the inner net, अगर आपको वाईफाई चाहिए, then you have to surely wear the mask of God and see everything around as one. Trust me, we are not separated. Right now, आप और मैं, who has brought us together? In this workshop. This has brought us together. Of course, internet is, the platform on which we are doing the workshop. But out of 7.8 billion people who could have participated in this workshop was the divine plan of this inner net. ये जो यूनिवर्सल प्लान है, डिवाइन प्लान है, उसके अंतर्गत जिसको इस वर्कशॉप में आना था वो आ गया है. करेक्ट? एंड यू सॉ दैट सो मेनी स्पिरिचुअल लीडर्स across the globe and especially in India, they started doing so many live YouTube sessions, live Zoom sessions, and so many videos started floating because हमें ये एहसास होना चाहिए कि हम भारत में रहते हैं जो वर्ल्ड की स्पिरिचुअल कैपिटल है. इंडिया इज नोन फॉर ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग lives of people, and people from across the world, they come and seek blessings of Indian masters, Indian gurus. So that is the value of India, the heritage of India. Okay, so what happens is this inner net is a beautiful connection कि मैं, हमारी स्पिरिचुअल कनेक्शन क्या है? क्या मैं वाईफाई से कनेक्टेड हूँ? ओके, विद द डिवाइन, जो दैविक शक्तियाँ हैं, मैं उनके साथ वाईफाई से कनेक्टेड हूँ या 2G से कनेक्टेड हूँ? सो यू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट, इसका आंसर आपको पता होगा. ओके, एनीवेज लेट्स गो फर्दर. नाउ व्हेन लेट्स से टेक दिस डिवाइस, हम अभी किसके साथ कनेक्टेड हैं? सब एक मोबाइल फ़ोन के साथ कनेक्टेड है, राइट? सो व्हाट हैपन्स व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोक्योर, या नया मोबाइल खरीदने जा रहे हैं, तो वी सी मेन 2 थिंग्स. वी सी द हार्डवेयर, सॉफ्टवेयर, एंड वी सी द रैम एंड स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी. रैम का मतलब क्या है? इंस्टेंट यूसेज स्पीड, नेविगेशन स्पीड वो कैसी चल रही है, रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी जिसको बोलते हैं, So that gives me a quick experience between switching between the applications, and typing speed and navigation speed. It all depends on the RAM. And there is another aspect, which is the storage capacity. So earlier it was, we started with 8 GB, then data became huge and we had 16 GB, फिर 64 GB and now 128 GB, because so much to store, So everybody is upgrading their mobile phone, correct? But what about upgrading your internet? अंदर का जो नेट है जिससे आप लाइफ ऑपरेट कर रहे हो, उसको चेंज करने के लिए प्रिंसिपल्स अब हम शेयर करेंगे. सो अगर आपको रैम चेंज करना है इनर नेट में, रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी मीन्स ऑन द स्पॉट मुझे स्ट्रेस आ रहा है, डिसीजंस ले नहीं पा रही हूँ, बार बार नेगेटिव सोच आती है, राइट, आई एम कंफ्यूज्ड, डर लगता है. सी द टॉपिक्स आर ह्यूज, आई कैनॉट गिव it cannot have a single approach, everything cannot have a single approach, but I will give you two best techniques to enhance the speed of your inner net. इनर नेट को 2G से ज़्यादा वाईफाई पे चलाना बेटर रहेगा. सो 2 टेक्निक्स आई विल गिव यू टुडे. द फर्स्ट इज चेंज योर रैम, अपग्रेड. ओके, नाउ हाउ टू अपग्रेड योर रैम. रैम इज द रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी जो नेविगेशन स्पीड बढ़ा देगी, राइट? सो द फर्स्ट टेक्निक विच आई एम गोइंग टू ब्रिंग टू यू इज द ब्रेन dump technique. Okay, so what happens in the brain dump? So actually, as per scientific studies, it has been proven that we think almost more than 50 to 60,000 thoughts in a day. इतना हम सोचते हैं एक दिन में. पास्ट, फ्यूचर, इसने क्या बोला, बॉस ने क्या बोला, हस्बैंड ने क्या बोला, फ्रेंड ने क्या बोला, मेरा ये काम कब होगा, when will I lose weight, when will I go for shopping, और what to cook, what not to cook, डाइट कैसे करनी है, मुझे ट्रैवल करना है, when will be my next travel plan. So lot of things we are just thinking. Can we dump all this thinking? Because if the sky is so clouded, which means अगर आपके दिमाग में इतने विचार चल रहे हैं तो क्लैरिटी कैसे आएगी? फोन पे कैसे करते हैं? इन बिटवीन वी क्लोज ऑल द एप्स, राइट? वी क्लियर ऑल द एप्स. तो अपने ब्रेन के लिए, इनर नेट के लिए भी हमें माइंडफुली अपने एप्स बंद करने पड़ेंगे. ओके, सो वन टेक्निक लाइक वी डिड येस्टरडे, दैट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स. इंस्टेंटली आप ये सोचो कि मैं मास्क कौन सा पहन रही हूँ, मास्क ऑफ गॉड या मास्क ऑफ ईगो. अगेन, बिकॉज यू हैव टू रिपीटेडली यूज इट. अगर नॉलेज में ले लिया और विजडम में अप्लाई नहीं किया इस पॉइंट्स को, योर लाइफ इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज. But we are here going to have a long-term effect. So first technique of brain dump is change your mask. Change your mask immediately. Because which mask are you wearing when you are confused? You wear mask of ego when you are confused. Immediately first change your mask. Okay. If you want clarity, which mask you will have to wear? Mask of God. Correct? If you are feeling chaos, you are still wearing the mask of ego. You feel fear. Past को लेके कुछ 10 दिन, 10 महीने पहले हुआ था, 10 साल पहले हुआ था. Still worrying? You're wearing this mask. So immediately, first thing is first change your mask. And now you have enough pointers. आपको काफ़ी रास्ते दिखा दिए गए हैं where you immediately change your mask and take control. That is one technique. Second technique is अगर कुछ भी उस टाइम पे आप और नहीं कर सकते and you are feeling sad, angry, jealous or whatever feelings which you are feeling that point of time due to something which happened outside, start repeating this mantra. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because everything is temporary. For a temporary feeling, do not disturb your inner net. Keep chanting, it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. Because whatever is happening outside. Should I really take it inside? क्या मुझे ये अंदर लेना है? Is it that valuable? अगर मास्क ऑफ ईगो पहनना है तो आप ले लोगे. You will allow it to go inside and stick there, okay? That's why people are able to have that pain from last 30, 40, 50 years, and there are scientific reasons also to it. We will do someday else, but the point is that it doesn't matter because everything is temporary. And who are you? Are you temporary? Yes, as long as you are in this physical body, you are temporary. But what is there in your body which, when flies off and this body is, merged in the 5 elements, ये शरीर 5 तत्वों में विलीन हो जाएगा, तो ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो निकल जाएगी? दैट इज़ योर सोल, योर आत्मा. वो अमर है, राइट? एंड यू विल मेक योर कर्मा वाइल यू आर इन दिस टेम्पररी बॉडी. अगर आप ब्रेन डंप नहीं करोगे, आप कुछ रिएक्शंस करोगे, करेक्ट? You will react. You have not been feeling good about something. You have been confused. You are angry. You are sad. तो ब्रेन डंप नहीं किया तो क्या होगा? आप इन्हीं फीलिंग्स के थ्रू एक नया कर्मा बनाओगे. बिकॉज कॉन्स्टेंटली जैसे हम अपने पास्ट कर्मास की जीवन अभी जी रहे हैं, हम अभी अपनी नई स्टोरी लिख भी रहे हैं. So as we are living a life of karmic balance sheet from previous lifetimes, simultaneously we are also creating our new balance sheet. We are creating new debits and credits in the account. So if you don't dump, okay, the negative thoughts from your brain, your inner net is bound to run at 2G, 3G speed. एंड मीन्स आपका यूनिवर्सल कनेक्शन बहुत लो होने वाला है. आपके कर्मा की क्वालिटी बहुत लो होने वाली है. एंड यू आर राइटिंग अ वेरी लोअर वर्जन ऑफ योर स्टोरी. आप अपनी खुद की स्टोरी लिख रहे हो फॉर अ फ्यूचर रेफरेंस, किसी और लाइफ टाइम के लिए. सो अज्यूमिंग मे बी इन दिस बर्थ और इन द कमिंग बर्थ्स you are going to get the result of this karma. Would you really want to write a low quality karma for yourself if you are the director? Would you really want to means क्या आप अपनी कर्मा की स्टोरी, जो लाइफ की स्टोरी है, क्या वो अपनी इतनी लो क्वालिटी की बनाना चाहोगे? आई एम श्योर कोई भी नहीं करना चाहेगा. तो come back to this mindful awareness, and that is where your mental health transforms. That I am living a life, मैं अपना जीवन अपने कर्मों के हिसाब से जी रहा हूँ. That is one. It may feel okay, I don't have any control, but right now also जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ उससे मेरे नए कर्म भी बन रहे हैं. Isn't it beautiful? So this gives you that essence that जो मेरा karmic balance है, that is what I am living. But right now what I am thinking, and remember, karma starts from the level of thought. Then the next is what you speak, and the third level of karma is what you act. So if nobody knows, in fact, I was shocked. I never knew karma from the point of view of thought. For me, it was a life changing experience altogether. And trust me, after this, my life has not remained same. Because I never knew that karma starts at the level of thought. And a negative thought can influence my life so much. We will talk about it on a separate day. So as of now, let's come back to the brain dump because I can talk so much on this. So brain dump करना है because मुझे अपना अभी का जो कर्म बनाना है, the quality of life that I am writing down right now, the script of my life cannot be of a 2G or 3G quality. I want a Wi-Fi, speed. Then brain dump technique, immediately number 1, change your mask. Wear the mask of God and mentally say that now I am going to look at things as grand overall design. Whatever is happening as per God's will. Okay. Point number 2, as we said, keep repeating, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay? Keep repeating this. Now, if you have time, I can give you a third tip of doing brain dump because you are a script writer. Story तो अच्छी लिखोगे ना, अपने लिए लिखनी है. You are going to act in that. The third one, if you have time and if you have some diary and a pen available with you, next is write it down. Writing it down, लिख लेना आपको बहुत रिलीफ देगा. So why writing it down? This is another practice which has changed. I think I'm following this, changed my life actually, and I think I'm following this from last 15 years, if not less than that. Okay. Now, what do we write? So, what happens till the time the problem is in my head? Okay. Till the time the problem is in my head, it becomes a monster. Unimaginable, uncontrollable monster. And the issue is how you handle this issue. Because till the time it's in the head, it becomes what you call in Munna Bhai, chemical locha. And we all have done a proverb in our childhood which says, a pen is mightier than a sword. कलम की ताकत तलवार से भी ज़्यादा है. Right? Which means write down what is bothering you. दिमाग में ऐसे क्या विचार चल रहे हैं जिससे आपकी थॉट की क्वालिटी लो हो रही है, जिससे आप देख रहे हो कि अरे ये तो मैंने ईगो का मास्क पहन लिया है. ओ बॉस, आई एम नॉट वियरिंग द मास्क ऑफ गॉड. Something is going to be wrong because I am wearing the mask of low quality thoughts. So write down what is your problem if you have time. If you don't have time, then mentally switch your mask and keep repeating it doesn't matter. Or it's the will of God. Okay. And if you have some space, 5-10 minutes, immediately start writing what is bothering you. And then you see a completely new experience because till the time the problem was in your head, it was a big monster. और जैसे ही पेपर पे डालेंगे, not more than 4-5 problems will come. You will write this is the problem and also write expected मेरा solution, what can I do best, and also prioritize. Okay, there are 2-3 things which are undone. 2-3 चीज़ें हैं जो नहीं की हैं, इससे मुझे ये स्ट्रेस आ रहा है. एंड फाइंड आउट कि क्या प्रायोरिटाइज कर सकते हैं पहले. सोल्यूशन ऑल्सो लिखो, द बेस्ट पॉसिबल सोल्यूशन विच यू कैन आस्क द यूनिवर्स. ओके, write down the solution and go ahead and execute. One step at a time. Don't think about 10 years, 5 years, 10 months. Plan ahead but act for today. Do you understand? So, 3 brain dump techniques: change your mask, it doesn't matter, chanting, and writing it down, which clears you immediately, which clears your RAM, random access memory, inner net की clear हो गई. So apps close हो गई, unnecessary thoughts close हो गए. Now let's come down to the storage capacity. What is the storage capacity? So in our device we have 64, 128, which has become common now. Maybe उससे ज़्यादा भी हो गया होगा. So our mental health storage capacity is our subconscious mind. देखा कितनी ब्यूटीफुल चीज़ें सिखा रहा है पैंडेमिक. And it's no wonder that we are being guided to talk about all this, because these are the gifts of corona, or either in a mindful way we can call it karuna. Karuna is compassion. Okay, so coming back to the storage capacity, if we look at our inner net, as we said, our storage capacity is our subconscious mind, हमारा अवचेतन मन. तो मेरे विचार जो है कई बार मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, हमारी कंडीशनिंग हो चुकी है. Let's take an example and think of a pen drive. Okay, when a child is born or when you buy a pen drive from the market, the pen drive is empty. You pay some, let's say, 800,000 bucks for the pen drive. And similarly, जब हम जन्म लेते हैं, our mind is totally empty. What happens in the formative years, almost 0 to 7 years, it has been proven that whatever we have picked up from our parents, from our family members, friends, environment, that keeps on getting stored in the pen drive as a program, conditioned mind. So our mind starts getting conditioned that this is happy, this is sad, this is angry moment, this is not so good moment. So all those conditioning and responses are getting saved in the pen drive of our mind, which is called the subconscious mind. And हम consciously अगर हम डरावनी चीज़ें सोच रहे हैं, कॉन्शियस टाइम पे हमें जब गुस्सा आता रहता है, हमें पता ही नहीं चलता क्यों गुस्सा आ रहा है मुझे, बिकॉज सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में वो प्रोग्राम रजिस्टर्ड है. सो somebody has had an not so good experience with water, maybe in this lifetime or the previous lifetime. So what happens? That person starts being scared of water. उसको डर लगेगा पानी के पास जाने से. So that is the level of impact that this subconscious mind or the pen drive has on us. Because जो भी program उस pen drive में है, वही चीज़ बाहर आने वाली है. पेन ड्राइव में जो भी स्टोर्ड होता है, आप वही प्रोग्राम्स जब आप लैपटॉप पे कनेक्ट करेंगे तो दैट ओनली कम्स आउट, राइट? वट एवर इज इन द पेन ड्राइव. So which means it makes a lot of sense to change our pen drive or our subconscious mind or the storage space, correct? और वो storage space कैसे change करेंगे हम? A very powerful, extremely powerful routine, which is before you go to sleep. Because your body sleeps for 7-8 hours, but your subconscious mind can reprogram itself. Subconscious mind does not sleep. You can choose how to reprogram your subconscious mind before you go to sleep. And therefore, a very healthy and simple but so effective routine which I'm sharing with you is the bedtime routine. You will say, what? Bedtime routine? We had heard about ये stories सुननी है, स्टोरीज सुनते थे हम बचपन में अपने दादा दादी से या नाना नानी से, एंड दैट वाज द बेड टाइम रूटीन. बट इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, जब हम स्टोरीज सुनते थे एंड वो स्टोरीज हमें आज तक याद है. अगर आपने बचपन में अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से स्टोरीज सुनी है एंड इफ़ यू नाउ थिंक अबाउट इट, आपको नई स्टोरीज भूल जाएंगी बट आपको पुरानी बचपन में सुनी हुई सब स्टोरीज याद हैं जो आपके ग्रैंडफादर सुनाते थे आपको. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? यू इवन रिमेंबर हाउ यू यूज्ड टू विजुअलाइज दैट स्टोरी. मन में काल्पनिक एक इमेजेस बनने लगती थी. यू इवन रिमेंबर द टाइम whether you used to sleep on the mattress, on the bed, और वो postures और कितना आप हंसते थे खेलते थे, right? Because that has been recorded in your subconscious mind. That's why story time हम हमेशा बोलते हैं रात को सोने के टाइम बच्चों को स्टोरी सुनानी चाहिए. It can be Panchatantra stories, it can be, Chanakya stories, or it can be Mahabharata and Ramayana stories, because they change your programming altogether. Trust me, friends, whatever we could do in childhood, we have forgotten it. That principle is valid in your life even today. So, at the night, you can upgrade your subconscious mind. Like how you upgrade your software. आपको बार बार मोबाइल फ़ोन पे after few months you get a software upgrade, that notification. Similarly, upgrade your subconscious mind regularly. And it has to be practiced religiously. अपनी ज़िंदगी की स्टोरी बदलना चाहते हो? Do you want to completely transform your life? This is one thing you cannot miss. And what to do at the bedtime? Start listening to spiritual discourses or discourses of any master that you follow. Many people are followers of, let's say, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. अपने भारत की ही हेरिटेज इतनी ज़्यादा है. Some people are followers of Hare Krishna movement. Some people are followers of Brahma Kumaris. Many people follow Sadhguru. Or you have your own masters, right? अपनी खुद की रिलीजन कि आपको कुरान में क्या सिखाया गया, बाइबल में क्या सिखाया गया. Just connect with that. It can be just 10 minutes. Second option, listen to a sleep meditation. Search on YouTube sleep meditations. There are guided meditations. Change your programming. In fact, we have separate workshops on that altogether. But for this, I am trying to tell you that if in case you do not change your subconscious mind, you will have very little control over what you do during the day. तो कितना आसान तरीका है ना? So easy. While sleeping, only the work is getting done. How a simple life can be, which nobody is talking about. Everybody is talking about complicated things and all that stuff. Simple चीज़ों की कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा है. Don't worry. So either you listen to something good, okay, but please remember, switch off the news. The news is something which from news stands for north, east, west and south. पूरी दुनिया की negativity comes up in the news. switch off your news channel. Do not watch news at night or any negative thing. So much is floating, so many videos keep floating. Be very selective of, बहुत सोच समझ के देखिए आप रात को क्या देख रहे हैं, बिकॉज वो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में. अगर आप सोने से पहले you watch Crime Patrol, you watch something which is a suspense thriller or something which is shrinking inside you, it gives you that feeling कि बॉस oh god ये तो कुछ गलत होने वाला है, right? Everything is going in your subconscious mind. Don't do that. If you have been doing, it's okay. Whatever has happened till now is all right, because that was destined to happen. But now, since we are with divine grace brought together in this program, change your patterns. At night, listen to some relaxing music, some motivational videos if you want to start with that, because it's easy. Spirituality, if it calls you, अगर आपको interest है, go there. Sleep meditations, start doing that. सोशल मीडिया, इंटरनेट को यूज करके अपना इनर नेट चेंज कर लीजिए. आई एम सेइंग देयर इज आई कैन गिव यू these are endless tips I can give you, but start with these, that using the power of the internet, okay, the Wi-Fi, you all want a Wi-Fi for your internet, right? Can you use that Wi-Fi to change your inner net and how you see the world? Because the world appears as you see it. Many people will join the program, or who are in the program, connected to this family. Everybody is going to carry something different. Something will carry the mask similarity. Somebody will carry with them the inner net ka story. So you figure out what is it that you want to change in your life. अगर अंदर क्लैरिटी नहीं है तो बाहर की दुनिया में कुछ बदलने वाला नहीं है. Because if you want to be a Buddha, then this is the only thing which can help you. Life transformation is in your hands. It may seem difficult, but caterpillar से butterfly बनने की जर्नी थोड़ी सी दर्दनाक है. It can be painful, but trust me, it is worthwhile. So with this, I would like to end today's video. Okay, so let me know, out of these practices of brain dump and bedtime routine, what is it that you will pick up? Okay, whether you will start writing down your problems, or whether you will start using your bedtime routine, और इंटरनेट को यूज करके इनर नेट को हम कैसे अपग्रेड कर सकते हैं. कितनी प्यारी चीज है. All the gurus spiritual enhancements and upgrades are happening through internet, correct? So figure out and let us know in the community what is that one thing which you will use or implement in your life to upgrade your inner net to a Wi-Fi speed. Okay, thanks for joining today, and have a great mindful inner net day. Thank you.